In the previous lesson, you have seen how to create a cart and cart item model for our e-commerce application. Now let's take a step forward and create our order and order item classes. The class order, here I have added two fields. The first one is user. So basically an order will belong to a user, and total will maintain the order amount of the total items added to a specific order. Now let's add the other necessary fields which we will need in order to proceed with the shipment. So here we have added few fields like first name, last name, mobile, city, country, address line 1 and address line 2. So these fields are necessary when you are dealing with a order shipment. Now let's move to the next fields. We have added three more fields here: created at, updated at, and status. So created at will store a date time field which will be the value when the order is created, and updated with at will depend on the payment gateway. Like when an order is created, we will place the value for created at, and when the order is paid at that moment, we will set the value for updated at. And finally, the status. The status will store things like paid, not paid, order pending, things like that. Now let's move to the next few fields. So here we have added two other fields, session ID and payment ID. These two fields are related to payment gateway Stripe. We will talk about these two fields later in depth when we will be dealing with our payment gateway. Now let's move to the next class, which is order item. Basically, the fields for order item will be similar to cart item. So copy everything from here and paste over here. Except one thing, and that is, instead of cart, it will refer to an order. So our order item is related to an order. Multiple order items can refer to a single product, and finally the order quantity. So that's it about order and order item. In the next lesson we will discuss in details about the database relationships.